Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, this is a quick update for those of you participating in the Grass Airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward at the end. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Solana wallet to the Grass extension or to the Grass site. So I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step guide on how to register a Solana wallet to the Grass site for those of you participating in the airdrop campaign. Alright guys, so for you to get started, those of you using extension to participate in this campaign, what you need to do is to download Phantom extension on your extension browser. So those of you that don't have any idea on Grass, how to get started and how you can participate in this campaign, I made a full video guide on how to participate in Grass airdrop campaign. So I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video, so make sure to watch that video first. So guys, like I said, make sure to download Phantom extension. For those of you that don't have a Phantom account, after downloading the account, you can click on create new wallet, or if you already have a Phantom account, you can just copy your private key or your seed phrase and import it. Alright guys, after you are done with the Phantom wallet, now what you need to do is to log in your Grass account. Now you click on this gift sign. Alright, so what you need to do is to click on this gift sign. Now what you need to do, you are going to see connect wallet. Please make sure to verify your address before proceeding to this section. So now you click on connect wallet, select Phantom wallet. Alright, so connect a wallet first. Click here, connect Phantom wallet. So let's set this on desktop site to see. So I recommend you use Mrs. extension to do this because I'm using Yandex browser. I don't know why they don't want to recommend me. So yeah, make sure to set it on desktop site for those of you using Mrs. browser. Then it's going to bring you here. Now what you need to do is just click on connect. After you click on connect, what you need to do is to click on verify to verify the wallet. Now you click on confirm. So after that, now you confirm wallet in email, so you click on start. So after clicking on start, it's going to bring you here. What you just need to do is to click on send verification link. Alright guys, so they are going to send you a link to your registered email on Grass. What you need to do is to go and click on the link to verify this. Alright guys, so you are going to receive something like this. What you just need to do is to click on verify wallet address. Alright guys, so after clicking on the link, then it's going to show you something like this: wallet successfully verified. And what you need to do is to go back to the site. Alright, so you can wait a while or you can refresh it. So let's refresh it to see. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, successful. So we are done with everything. We have just connected our wallet. We have done everything as you can see on the screen. So this is how to connect your Solana wallet address, be it Phantom or Software, any wallet that you want, but I recommend using Phantom wallet to your Grass account. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.